Hello everyone! Very soon, on Monday, September 15th, we will be starting our new big project, Crochet Blanket Floral Fantasia, designed by Veronica Liachovic. This video is about yarn and yarn selection for the project. But I should say that this pattern is a paid pattern and I highly recommend you to purchase it. In this case, you will have all sources, so you will be able to make a perfect blanket. It's a big and nice project. For all of you, Veronica prepared a special discount on the pattern. All information you will find in description to this video. And now, let's talk about yarn. First of all, let's talk about yarn selected by Veronica herself. In front of you is her first choice. YarnArt Jeans, fine weight 2. Balls of 50 grams, 160 meters. That is 1.76 OZ and 174 yards. She proposes 4 colors, A, B, C and D, and amount of yarn needed you will find in the pattern, or I will also leave it in description to this video. The hook used is 3.5 millimeters, and the final blanket size, we have a square blanket and it is 168 centimeters by side, or 66 inches. Of course, depending on your style of crochet, the size may be different, even if you will select this type of yarn. I highly advise you to make a little sample, making first rounds of the blanket to have an idea how big could be your blanket. This is a photo of the second blanket made by Veronica herself. This time it is YarnArt Elite D. Weight 3. In 100 grams, 300 meters, or in 3.52 OZ, 328 yards. Once again, 4 colors are used, A, B, C and D, and amount of yarn needed you will find in the pattern, or I will leave it in description to this video. This time Veronica used 4 millimeter hook, and the blanket size is 196 centimeters per side, and it is about 77 inches. And now let's talk about yarn selection by the testers of the design. First one is this one. It is made with yarn Alize Diva Silky Effect and hook 3.5 millimeters. Blanket size, the side is 40 inches, and in centimeters it is a little bit more than 100 centimeters, 1 meter. And you are watching right now my sample because it is made of the same yarn, and I can even show you the ball, how it looks like. This yarn is made of 2 kinds. This is the solid color, and it is 350 millimeters in 100 grams. I am working with the other kind of this yarn. It's again the same brand, the same type, but it is ombre batik. It has a gradient. And it is a bit thinner, I suppose. Right now, this sample, I'm not able to show you the whole size. Oh, maybe I will try. First 49 rounds of the design, and at this point, actually 49 centimeters the side. I suppose that my size will be about the same as the tester had, just my hook is different. It is 2.7 millimeters. And if you are planning to make a big blanket, well, you can see that this won't be a big blanket. Actually, I'm thinking to make out of this this yarn selection a tablecloth. I have a lining basis, so I will combine them and then later I will show you. Let's continue. Let's continue looking at what sort of yarn the testers selected. All of this information you will find in written pattern. So, as you can see, this is a huge blanket, worsted weight yarn, hook size 6 millimeters, and the side is 90 inches. If I will translate it into other terms, the size is 228 centimeters, so it's more than 2 meters, the side, and the yarn is about 130-140 meters in 100 grams, so it's a pretty thick yarn. One more choice: worsted weight yarn, hook 5 millimeters, and blanket size 78 inches. Okay, if I will translate it in another terms, blanket size is 198 centimeters, about 2 meters, and yes, and the yarn is about the same, 130-140 meters in balls of 100 grams. Both of these blankets, they consist of 4 colors as the original design. And this blanket, as you can see, it's made just of one color, true blue yarn, weight 3, for 4,820 yards in total, hook 3.5 millimeters, blanket size 54 inches, the side. If I will translate it in other terms, it will be the yarn about 220 meters in 100 grams, and the size of the blanket is about 140 centimeters, the side. We are done with all information from testers, and now I will add you a couple of choices I made myself. Many of you liked this one that I was showing in introductory video. This selection is Alize Super Lana Classic, 25% wool and 75 acrylic. 280 meters in 100 grams. Actually, I like very much the yarn. It's easy to work with, and the hook is a 4 millimeter hook. Right now in this sample I have made about 45 rounds, and the size of 45 rounds is 65 centimeters. one more sample made of another type of yarn, 80% acrylic and 20% wool. The brand is the same, Alize, Angora Gold, Ombre Batik. I think that this blanket will be weightless because it really weighs nearly nothing. It's a bit puffy and it's pretty thin. It's pretty thin yarn, but I'm using size of the hook 4 millimeters and it works perfect. I'm curious about the size because at this point I finished here 33 rounds and they are about 43 centimeters. I will keep you updated. And this is the last choice of yarn I will be showing you today. This yarn I selected for making tutorial. It is 100% acrylic, Kartopu Baby 1 yarn, 250 meters in 100 grams. I liked this yarn. I already used it for a couple of small tutorials that you can find here on this channel, and this is the yarn I will be working with you, and I'm planning to use the hook 4 millimeter hook. And my final advice. First of all, please decide how big your blanket would be. Of course, if you will take thick yarn, big hook, and your style of crochet is loose, you will have the biggest size of the blanket. If you would like to have your blanket small, you can use thinner yarn, smaller hook, and work tight. One more detail is yarn composition. You can use lush thread, and for lush thread you can use bigger size hook. For example, just to compare, you can see two different kinds of yarn. One is much thinner than the other one, but both of them I am using with 4 millimeter hook. So, my final advice is, when you will select your yarn, please make a little sample and take a look on how it looks like. Do you like the result? Because our blanket is 109 rounds. It's a pretty big project, and I would like you to enjoy the whole process from the beginning to the end. So, good luck, and let's meet on Monday, September 15th, and start our first rounds. See you soon.